Good morning, my dear respected students. Today, I'm just begin with that how we are supposed to retrieve the data from a table. Hope you remember in our previous sessions we have done that how we are supposed to create a database, how we are supposed to create a table within that database, and after that how we are supposed to insert the values, and fourth thing I think so that how we are supposed to display the entire data. I am repeating my word that how we are going to display the entire data. But today we are supposed to display the data as we desired. जिस प्रकार हमारी आवश्यकता है हम उसके अकॉर्डिंग टू डाटा को डिस्प्ले करवाएंगे. My dear respected students, here the things are very clear. I think so. It's my assumption, and I consider that this thing is clear, that import PyMySQL is this one is clear to you, and why we are using localhost root, this is a password, and remember here it is that is to be called as a database, and in our context we are using a database which is to be called as a N1. मेरे प्यारे बेटा, kindly concentrate. Here it is, use N1. It means the database is existing, database is available, and we are supposed to use that database. And here it is. I'm just going to display the tables, and I'm just going to mention here it is show tables, and okay, no problem. Now spelling error is there. Okay, now show tables, and here it is, different tables will be there, and I'm just going to display the tables that t underscore d1 and hit the enter key. Okay, select star from, no problem, select star from, and I'm just going to hit the enter key, and the content is supposed to be displayed on your screen. Now, my dear respected students, what I'm going to do here, it's my humble request, kindly concentrate. First of all, this cursor is created, that there is an interface in between a MySQL and a Python. Here it is. After that, I'm just going to open this comment section and make this line a comment. What happens when we execute that particular line? It says here it is, the database is N1, and here it is, the cursor is created, which is the interface in between MySQL and Python. And here it is at execute, and what it happens, select star from td1. It says that the entire data which is there within a t underscore d1 is supposed to be displayed. And after that, as in our previous sessions we discussed fetch all, fetch one, and fetch many. Here it is because we want to display the entire data as per the constraint we are using, and then display is a variable which stores this particular fetch all object. And after that there is a function, or we can call it as a, that this is a row count. Now we are supposed to count the rows, we are supposed to count the row which is there in the table. And after that, for r in display, print r, and it says the total number of rows that should be stored in a variable, that is a NOR. First time it says that the entire data of the table is supposed to be displayed. Can I run this program? Okay, F5 and hit the enter key. The entire data is going to be displayed on the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, it says that the total number of rows will be 9. Okay, is this fine to you? Okay. My dear respected student, again, now what happened? If Kavaljit sir is giving you a query that we are supposed to display the roll number, name, mark, city of only those students from T underscore D1, where the name is like, it means is there within the name of the student, and before and after multiple characters will be expected. आगे और पीछे मल्टीपल करेक्टर एक्सपेक्टेड हैं, और बीच में कहीं पे भी क्या आ जाए, ई आ जाए. एक बार देखिएगा, मैं रन नहीं कर रहा पहले इसको. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू रन दिस प्रोग्राम. हियर इन Kavaljit, E is not there. Amanveer, no E. Dev, yes, there is E. Preet, E. Gurpreet, Kavaljit में नहीं है, Gurleen में है. It means hopefully Dev Jalota ji, Preet Gugna, Gurpreet Singh, and again here it is a Gurleen. These are the information which are expected to be displayed on the screen. मेरे बेटा एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं. Kindly consider here that I am just going to remove this symbol, okay, and make this one an active line. And now what we are going to do, we are just going to press the F5 and hit the enter key. And what they are going to display, they display Dev, Preet, Gurpreet, and Gurleen. And here it is. How many number of rows will be there, my dear students? The number of rows will be 4. मेरे बेटे को मेरी बात समझ आ गई है? Is this clear to you? Very good. After that, again we make this a comment, and now the third query we are supposed to display here. Select city, okay. Count asterisk means we are supposed to count the cities, the students which belongs to a particular city, and from which table T underscore D1 group by city means we are going to make a group as based on the city, and we are supposed to count the number of students, that how many students belongs to Jalandhar, how many students belongs to Guraya, how many students belong to Phagwara. First of all, before running this program, here it is the output of that particular table. Jalandhar, Kent is there, Phagwara, Jalandhar, and Guraya. These are the information, and now we are going to count this. Can we count Jalandhar, Kent once? एक बार Jalandhar, Kent को count कर लेते हैं. This is 1, Kavaljit, and again this is 2, that is Kavaljit. Okay, तो अगर Jalandhar, Kent की बात करेंगे, तो here it is 2. The count will be 2. I'm just going to display the content, my dear respected student, and hit the enter key. And what will be displayed here on the screen, my dear respected student? It says Jalandhar, Kent 2, Phagwara is 3, Jalandhar is 3, and Guraya will be 1. मेरे बेटे को मेरी बात समझ आ गई? Today what we have learned that on the basis of different queries we are supposed to retrieve the data as desired by the user. Okay, hopefully the thing will be cleared. मुझे लगता है आपको ये चीज clear हो चुकी होगी. I think so. Okay, I am just going to save this program, okay, and I am just going to close this one. Now, my dear respected students, this is the testing time for you. If you allow me to, if you give me a permission that I'm going to test you for a while. Here it is. The information will be there. Can I discuss this program with you if you don't mind? Okay. These 3 lines are not supposed to discuss. Okay. Beta, what do you understand by this particular line?
Selecting the whole data which is present in the table.
Okay. They are going to display the entire data. They are just going to display the entire data. They are supposed to display the entire data of a table, and the name of the table is T underscore D1, and the name of the database is
N1.
अरे वाह क्या बात है. अच्छा मेरा बेटा, here it is. The number of I think so the number of information which is there in this table is 9. I think so. You remember that we have displayed that content. But can you please help me? Here it is. After that, this line will be executed. C dot fetch many 5. What is the meaning of that particular line? If you are going to give me the detail of that particular line.
टेबल में जो कंटेंट्स है उसमें से वो फर्स्ट 5 उठाए.
अरे वाह क्या बात है. अच्छा यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा fetch many means 5. 5 means only first 5 lines. They count that information, then display, and then number of count will be there. Okay, can I run this program for a while if you allow me? Okay, thank you very much, my dear student. Okay, what they do 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. अरे वाह क्या बात है, आपने तो बिल्कुल ठीक बोला. But here it shows a total number of rows is equal to 9. Why so? Because they are counting the whole table, the data which is there in the table, they are counting. Okay, thank you, Beta ji. And again, again my query, if you allow me to do the same, I'm just going to, this is kind of a revision, I think so. Okay, here it is. If I'm just going to make this a active, what will be the output?
सर जो टेबल में पूरा कंटेंट है वो सारा
सारे का
कंटेंट
सारा कंटेंट जो है that will be displayed on the screen. Why so? Because we are using a query that is a fetch all. मेरे बेटे को मेरी बात समझ आ गई. It means it says a fetch all. अरे वाह क्या बात है, सारे का सारा डाटा आ गया स्क्रीन पे. ठीक है. अच्छा बेटा जी एक और चीज अगर आपसे पूछना चाहूं, अगेन आई एम मेकिंग दिस इनसाइड कमेंट सेक्शन. हियर इट इज fetch 1. What will be the output?
जो पहली वाली लाइन पे जो डाटा होगा वो वही पे
सिर्फ वही डाटा आएगा which will be there on the top of the table. That it means the first line. Okay, can I run this program for the better clarity? Okay, thank you very much. Okay, I'm just going to run. अरे वाह मेरा ही नाम आ गया वहां पे. And but the total number of rows will be there in a table is 9. Great. मेरे बेटे को मेरी बात समझ आ गई है. Thank you very much. God bless you. It means we are doing things and after that we are supposed to revise that particular content which make a sense that we have a better understanding of the content. हमारे पास ये better understanding है. Okay. थोड़ा सा अगर और हम लोग कुछ कर सकें आपके साथ, अगर आप अलाउ करें तो. ये सब कुछ क्लियर है, ये डाटा आपको क्लियर है. ये क्या करेगा, सारे का सारा डाटा हमें डिस्प्ले कर देगा. ठीक है. अब मैंने क्या किया, एक और मैं ओपन करता हूं आपके लिए. मैं चेक करना चाहता हूं, मैं 14 ओपन करूं ना. हाँ 14, जहां पे हमारी कोई क्लैरिटी आएगी. अच्छा व्हाट विल बी देयर. अब यहाँ पे देखिए, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू राइट अ लोकल होस्ट, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू मेंशन अ यूजर, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू यूज display a password, I am not going to write here a database. Even then the program is displayed the data. Remember this in your brain that here it is, we have not mentioned anything, whether it is a database, whether it is a user, whether it is root, whether it is a password. We are not mentioned anything and we are supposed to display only the content. Okay, and here it is, they displayed that select star from t underscore d1 where marks is less than 20. ये आपको डाटा डिस्प्ले करेगा where marks is less than is equal to 20 and city is equal to जालंधर. जिसके मार्क्स 20 से कम हो, लेस देन इज इक्वल टू 20, कम या बराबर, और उसकी सिटी कौन सी हो, जालंधर. एक बार डिस्प्ले करके देख लें फिर आगे चलते हैं. ओके, आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू प्रेस द F5. ओके, आई थिंक सो दे डिस्प्ले द कंटेंट हियर ऑन द स्क्रीन. उसने कंटेंट आपको डिस्प्ले कर दिया. प्रीत गोगना जी और तनीषा जी, इनकी इंफॉर्मेशन स्क्रीन पे आ गई. ठीक है. मेरे बेटे ने मुझे बोला कि सर ये 14th भी हो गया. एक बार और देखते हैं अगर मेरे पास कोई कंटेंट आपके लिए आता है. अब मैं 1515 पे जा रहा हूं. ठीक है, देखिएगा प्लीज. नाउ वी आर मूविंग वन स्टेप अहेड, आगे बढ़ रहे हैं एक और स्टेप. अब हम क्या कर रहे हैं, वी आर नॉट रिट्रीविंग द डाटा, वी आर रिट्रीविंग द डाटा, बट बिफोर दैट वी आर सपोज टू मेक सम चेंजेस विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ अपडेट सेक्शन. अपडेट कमांड के साथ हम कुछ चेंजेस करने वाले हैं. देखिएगा प्लीज. Here it is, one important thing. Here it is, import PyMySQL as ABC. We are supposed to give a alias name. जैसे घर पे आप किसी को, बच्चे को बोलते हैं लवदीप, और अदरवाइज किसी का नाम घर पे कुछ और भी है. आप समझ रहे होंगे मेरी बात को, कि किसी को घर जो स्कूल में बुलाते हैं विशाल कुमार, और घर पे बोल दिया विशु, which is to be considered as a alias name. And here we are doing the same, import PyMySQL. This is I think so this is a name of that particular module, but when we are going to create a alias, एक उसको अलग से एक और नाम देना चाह रहे हैं, then we mention it as a ABC. ये भी किया जा सकता है. And here it is, in spite of writing PyMySQL, we are supposed to mention the alias name which is given to that particular module. Again here it is, connect and each and everything is fine to you. Okay, cursor interface is being created, and after that what we are going to do, my dear respected student, update t underscore d1, set city is equal to Jalandhar Kent, where name is equal to Ishan, where name is equal to Ishan. Okay, can we check first of all whether the information is there or not. Okay, okay, I think so Ishan is not there. I think so, है ना. हम यहाँ पे करते हैं, वी आर गोइंग टू मेक द मॉडिफिकेशन इन भव में कर लेते हैं, ठीक है। अब हमने क्या किया, व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू माय डियर रिस्पेक्टेड स्टूडेंट, in spite of writing Ishan, I'm just going to make a modification and we can make it as a Bhav. Now the city of Bhav is Guraya. If you concentrate on that data, the city of Bhav is Guraya, I think so. And now we are going to make a modification, and after that what we are going to do, we are supposed to display the entire data on the screen. अब देखिएगा कृपया करके, I am going to hit the F5 and hit the enter key. कवलजीत सर ने जैसी किया, अब यहाँ पे प्लीज आप देख लीजिए, इन प्लेस ऑफ भव, जो भव की इंफॉर्मेशन आ रही है, पहले यहाँ पे ये देखिए माई सिक्वल में जो पहले हमने क्वेरी रन की थी मेरा बेटा, व्हाट वी हैव मेंशन्ड हियर, द नेम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट इज भव एंड सिटी विल बी Guraya. But after making a modification in such data with the help of this particular query, after that the data is going to be displayed on the screen, which says that Bhav 17, now this time in spite of mentioning a Guraya, they are supposed to display the content that is a Jalandhar Kent. मेरे बेटे को मेरी बात समझ आ गई है, पक्की बात है, okay. Just allow me to move one step ahead also. I'm just going to stop this and open last program for today's session, and after that I just allow you to do the practicals. Okay, previously we have opened 15, now we are going to open a 16. We are going to check only. Okay, here it is. What happened, this one is to be considered as a last program for today's revision section. Again, what happened, delete from t underscore d1 where name is equal to Kavaljeet, name is equal to Kavaljeet, my dear respected student, and after that we are going to count that data and then we are supposed to display the entire data. एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं. I'm just going to display here the content. एक बार दोबारा मैं यहाँ पे लिख दिया select star from t underscore d1. अब ये देखिए यहाँ पे अगर आप देखेंगे तो जो हमने मॉडिफिकेशन पाइथन में भी चेक किया था, भव गुराया है. अब यहाँ देखेंगे तो भव क्या हो गया, जालंधर कैंट. अब यहाँ कवलजीत देखिए, here it is Kavaljeet, Jalandhar Kent, and Kavaljeet is Jalandhar Kent. Okay, and now what we are going to do, my dear respected student, here it is delete from t underscore d1 where name is equal to Kavaljeet Singh. What happened now? They are supposed to delete the two records. वो दोनों के दोनों records को क्या करेगा जी, डिलीट कर देगा, भेज देगा वहां से. अच्छा, अगर चलिए पहले हम इसको ऐसे ही करके देखते हैं. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू हिट द F5 and okay, now what happened, what is mentioned here, that how many records will be deleted or updated, that should be 2. What happened now this time, as in the previous section, Kavaljeet is mentioned here also and at that point also, but now the Kavaljeet is not going to be displayed on the screen in a Python. And if you have any kind of confusion in your mind, you are supposed to again type the same in a MySQL, and Kavaljeet Singh is not there in the table. Hopefully the content which we have discussed today is clear, and thanks for your kind cooperation.